This is my skin.
When I was younger, I really struggled with the way that I look because I got bullied a lot in school and it really affected my self-confidence. But now I kind of think that, my birthmark is my superpower. My perfect foundation would blend into my skin, be really lightweight, and feel like I'm wearing nothing. I really love the IT Cosmetics CC cream. It's my holy grail. It's really lightweight, it doesn't irritate my sensitive skin. It looks very natural. And I love that it has so many skin-loving ingredients that just is really nourishing for me. And I love the CC cream because it looks so natural even when I have it on. I love the way I look right now. I still feel like who I really am. With or without makeup, I still feel like me.